Ladies and gentlemen, I am Shanito. Pretty much just going to show you how to stream Genshin Impact on OBS, because it does go through a different little technique. Not exactly sure why, but either way. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and open Genshin, bring that up so it's in a windowed mode, and then we will go ahead, go to settings, graphics, make sure it's in a windowed mode, and then go ahead, switch over to OBS, then we'll hit the plus. Now typically I'll use game capture, but that's not working, it's just giving me a black screen. So what we do, open the window capture, click OK. It should be one of the first options here, Genshin Impact.exe or whatever you name it. Just click that, and then we go ahead, take that, and we will move that down the line. And there you go. Just bring it out, boop, fit it to the window. And from that point on, it should run pretty well. I know I was having issues, so I had to look it up, and there you go. Bam. Peace.